Well, hello, parents. My name is Chad Gilliland, and I am in my 27th year teaching mathematics. And I been at RHS for 19 years, and I absolutely love it here. It's a great school, and I love the faculty and the students and our administration very much. So I'm here to talk to you about the Onramps pre-calculus course that I teach. I teach AP Calculus BC and also Onramps pre-calculus. And so about the Onramps pre-calculus is a dual enrollment through the University of Texas. So the students get a grade from the college, but they also get a grade from the high school. So I'm here to talk to you about the high school grade. So I have tutoring every morning, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but it's pretty much every morning. Also during lunch and also during advisory. Students can come to me during advisory as well if they need help. That has been helpful with some of my students. And we use Google Classroom for information, but most of the stuff that your students do for the college course is on Canvas. So that's also a website that they're very familiar with. So for our grades, tests, I give a point system. So tests are 100 points, and when we have quizzes and exploration assessments and learning strategies, those are all worth 50 points. And about the quizzes, the students get unlimited attempts to get as high as grade as they can get on the quizzes. So that's not just a one attempt. They have as many as they want. And just participating in the exploration every day is also it's a participation grade. So the best way to contact me is really through email. At the top here is chad.gilliland@rasd.org. You can call as well, but email is usually faster. And so just feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns or anything at all. And I'll get right back with you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and let me know if you need anything.